The craftsmanship, the look, the beauty of the runner. This is that egg hunt choice. But look at this. In size, rather, it's about a little more than 1 foot wide, so 13 inches wide, and 3 feet long. I only have 200 left in the egg hunt. Now, I do have other choices available, but first let me tell you, this is customer top rated. Folks came back and said, whoa, this is way prettier in person than I could even tell on TV. So grab it while we have it because the sale, what? The sale price is $27.94. Okay, that's different. I'm calling my mother. It's $27.94. 5 easy payments of $5.59. Look at the garden choice. That's gorgeous. Beading. We have 5 dozen in the garden. Oh. Hold on. I know. We still have others. Oh, the patriotic. 6 dozen in the patriotic. Red, white, and blue, and fireworks. And romance just sold out. So $13.31 less. I get it. But at this price and this easy pay, both are gone at the end of the day. Lisa, I know it's about the craftsmanship and the hand beading and the pearlescence of the beads, but that price.
It's crazy. I'm telling you, pick these up, even at wedding gift, shower gift. This price is crazy. And here's what I love about it personally. It fits a square table, a round table, a rectangular table, an oval table, and it's not too big because at 36 inches, so 3 feet, right? And like Mary said, just about a foot across, beautiful detail where it's ruffled on the edge. You can still fit your plate at the head of each table without this interfering. And you can still fit the plates on the side. You know, sometimes runners are too big. This is perfection.
Yeah. I mean, the detail on it. And you know what? Get the egg hunt ready to go for the spring season next year. Grab the garden to enjoy all the way through the summertime. Get the patriotic. I mean, $27.94 by 3 feet long and more than a foot wide. I look at that patriotic. I mean, I know. Love that.
I know. It's truly a statement on your table. This piece is weighty. Like this weighs a few pounds. Still that beautiful satin backing that we talked about. All hand done. I don't know how we ever got to this price. I actually think it's a mistake and you should buy it quickly because they're going to figure it out soon. But
exactly.
This is just a statement piece, right, Mary, on the table?
It really is. I mean, did you say the romance is already gone? Well, I mean, so to speak, in the runner, the romance is gone. I have the egg hunt here. I have fewer than 200. What about the patriotic that Lisa's holding? There are only 3 dozen left. Can you hold up the garden for us, too? The one that's in front of you, if you don't mind?
100%.
How many are left? There are only 2 dozen left in the garden. That's why this was such a short presentation, is because we don't have a whole lot to go around. Remember, too, this is a sale price of $27.94. Unbelievably just wrong. Just grab it while we've got it. And those 5 easy payments are gone at the end of the day, too. Quickly, I want to show you again all the beading, all of the beautiful colors in that egg hunt. Fewer than 200 to go around. But the garden and the patriotic are both last call. There are fewer than a dozen in each.
Wow.
Customer top rated, and the price goes up at the end of the day. Oh my. K56334. Lisa, will you please come back and talk to us about at least one more item?